Meaning of extraterritorial.
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 Extraterritorial. Extraterritorial refers to something that is outside or beyond the boundaries of a particular territory or jurisdiction. In legal terms, it typically refers to the ability of one country to exert its laws and regulations over individuals or entities in another country. This can have significant implications for issues such as taxation, trade, and diplomatic relations between different countries. Essentially, extraterritoriality allows a country to extend its authority beyond its own borders, which can both facilitate international cooperation and lead to conflicts between nations.